Today, we will continue our journey by using our best momentum scalping strategy with our best trading view indicator. We will cover every aspect of day trading, from analysis of the weekly charts to minute-based charts. If you are good to go, let's do this. Another week, another set of wins and losses. As a trader, we keep continuing our journey no matter what. Let's take a look at this lovely YOYO coin setup, and let's do a full top-down analysis starting from the weekly chart. The first thing that you can notice here, price swept this weekly liquidity area and reacted very strongly. And we have one question in our minds: where is this price heading? You can notice that weekly BPR point is a clear gap to fill. The rally is aimed to attack this imbalance area. Now, from the daily chart, we can see what happens in a closer action. Right around here, price switches from the daily perspective, a strong buyer rally ignites. Notice these 5 large green daily candlesticks in a row. It's so obvious that this coin has a buyer interest nowadays. Let's get back to our momentum layout with our best indicator ever, the ICT high time frame candles. Thanks to this indicator, I can monitor every single time frame at once and point out possible great entry areas. Notice these 4 imbalance taps in the earlier hours and how the price switches, then the crazy rally starts. But we are interested in closer and more present time rallies. Again, as you can see, price makes a small pit stop in a gas station to grab more fuel right here with the 30-minute and 1-hour imbalances, and the rally continues again. Let's take a look at what happens in this area in lower time frames. With this 1-minute time frame, we can easily see that price hits hard to 30-minute and 1-hour imbalance areas before the rally. There's always something going on inside those high time frame imbalances. First of all, you need to scan the identical smart money concepts on the screen. You can easily see that price was building this inner trendline liquidity above. So many trend traders took short positions and placed the stop losses according to the trend line concepts. And at the bottom, you can notice the inner uptrend liquidity is already taken out. Now we know that the liquidity is building upside. We have more reasons to take long trade here. Right here inside are 30-minute and 1-hour imbalances, some manipulation going on. Smart money is building one more time a liquidity trough with equal lows here. Then the price hunts it and makes a strong market structure break with a large imbalance to use. And this is your trade. A nice and clean 2-hour trade setup, a setup to use get in and get out. Or using the MASTERCLASS rally strategy to grab a 2% move. However, for this coin, we did not have good range, enough percentage to use rally strategy. It was more suitable to use risk-reward based setup. Okay friends, hope that this was a valuable video for you. See you next time, and please take care of yourself.